this striped turtleneck. I love the colors in this so much. I'm wearing a white long sleeve underneath because it's like literally 20 degrees outside. I'm wearing these jeans from American Eagle. Well, I mean, like, they're thrifted, but like they're from American Eagle. And then my Doc Martens with some blue socks.
Look, it's my favorite DA. Okay, so I've basically just spent like the last 4 hours. How long have I been here? Editing my video. Not this video, a different video. And now I have to go to work in half an hour and I'm really hungry and I don't know what to eat before dinner, so I've decided I'm gonna go get a sandwich before I go to work. Also, here's the word OOTD. Got my Res Life polo on. How official is that? Sandwich has been secured. Okay, so now I have work until 9, and that's all I'm doing tonight. Everyone, it is Wednesday, the 20-something, I don't know, not the point. I picked up this package from the mailroom yesterday, and I'm gonna show you what I got. I've never ordered from Princess Polly before, so something, you know, little new, little fun. So first, I got this midi skirt, has this nice little floral pattern on it, a big slit in the side for some leg action. Here is the midi skirt. It's this black tie up top. Yes. I also kind of love this too, so it was a good purchase. So there's the haul. That's all I got. Okay, so as for my actual outfit today, I am wearing this thrifted sweater, these American Eagle mom jeans because I can't thrift mom jeans to save my life, and these white kind of platform shoes from Puma. Story time! Wait, what? I ordered a venti, like a normal person. And then the lady literally could not hear anything I was saying, so she gave me this beast of a drink. Oh, but also Cosmo and Wanda.
Thank you. I fucking hate you. Okay, so I just got out of my lab. It wasn't too exciting, but it wasn't the worst thing ever. And now it's like 4, so I'm gonna go to the gym in like 2-ish hours. So yeah. Okay, so it's about 6 o'clock right now, and I'm about to head to a class. I've never been to a class before, so this would be something new, something fun. I'm going with my friends. It's a pump class, so kind of nervous, but we'll see how it goes.
Put that in your video. It was probably going to.
Alright, so here's my outfit for the day. I am wearing this yellow turtleneck which is thrifted. Who's shocked? No one. This belt that I wear literally every single day, it's also thrifted. These mom jeans from American Eagle, and then these white Pumas. I have my hair up in these tiny ponytails with matching yellow hair ties. Look at that coordination. And then also these earrings that I got from Yes Styles. Oh, I also have some rings on my fingers, which are from Forever 21. So we went to the gym. How was it?
I thought it was good. It was really hard. My thighs hurt.
We took a dance fitness class.
There were
And-
jumping jacks.
Too many jumping jacks.
We're dying.
But we're going to dinner now, so. Where do you want to eat for, what's the word? For dinner? Me either. Not Plaza, though. I've had too much Plaza the last few days.